Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by clicking the image you want to change inside Word. Look for the Picture Format tab that appears near the ribbon. Click the Corrections button to reveal Quick Brightness and Contrast presets. Each preset changes the image in visible steps for fast results. If you prefer precise control, choose More Corrections options at the bottom of the menu. That action opens the Format Picture pane on the right side of the document window. In the Format Picture pane, find the Brightness slider under Picture Corrections. Drag the slider right to increase brightness and left to decrease it. For consistent results, try precise values like plus 25% to brighten or minus 25% to darken the image. You will see a live preview inside your document as you adjust the control. Release the slider when you like the look and move on to contrast if the colors still need refinement. After setting brightness, adjust contrast to balance highlights and shadows. Use moderate contrast changes such as plus 10% to plus 30% for clearer detail without clipping. To apply settings to several images, select multiple pictures or use the Format Painter for rapid consistency. If you make a mistake, press Ctrl plus Z to undo the last change immediately. When satisfied, right-click the image and choose Save as.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.